Welcome back. In the last video we talked about package.json, what it is and how dependencies work in Node.js project. Today we are taking the next step. Actually building a simple Node.js app will go from scratch to our first hello world running in the terminal. Let's jump in. Let's create a folder named Node Basics. I'll go into this folder, open my terminal, and then I will just call for my VS Code. So first, let's create a fresh Node.js project. I'm going to open the terminal and run npm init-y that we saw earlier that creates the package.json. So in package.json you can see our main folder is index.js. So let's create index.js. So here we will log hello world. So that is console log and then hello world, and we'll run the application by node index.js. So the hello world wrote in the console. So this is how your first Node.js app is created. This is just the beginning. Next up we'll look into how to build in FS module to read and write files with Node, or maybe even spin up a simple HTTP server. Let me know in the comment what you would like to explore first. So these are the upcoming topic we can go through. So please like and subscribe for the support.